We think Hurricane G-HURI was the last hurricane to fly into and out of what was Royal Air Force Hawkinge. In the photograph attached to this video, you can see in the background this distinctive row of houses behind the hurricane. Now it's a car park to a community centre, the airfield long gone, replaced with houses and everyday life. It was on this spot somewhere that Hurricane G-HURI would have taxied out that day and left Hawkinge for the last time. Hawkinge's last hurricane. Thank you to everybody that's helped us create this moment of walking the ground. And if you've not visited Hawkinge and the incredible Battle of Britain Museum here, please put that on your list to visit very soon.